If you are wondering how the professional filmmakers get really smooth footage, in this video I will show you one of the cheapest self-made slider. If you are compared with the expensive sliders, this one is really cheap. It costed only 80 euros, and he was also kind enough to give me this present. It's a time-lapse timer, so if you set a time, it goes around under the 80 degree and it makes really nice footage, and it's nice to have this. And in this video I will show you how it works, and I'm really excited because he made it by himself, and I hope it's not have any bugs and it works appropriately. So let's unbox this one and I will show you how it looks first of all, and then I will set up and I will show you guys footage if it's smoothly or not. So let's see, here we go. One thing also I want to mention, you have two types of sliders. One are the friction sliders and the others are bearing sliders. I want to explain them. If you want to buy friction sliders, you have really much friction going on, so it's not that smooth as the bearing sliders, because the bearing sliders don't touch each other and the truck is free because the standard is rolling on wheels. And on the friction sliders you have friction going on, so the iron touch each other, so it's not that smooth. So if you want to buy a good slider, go with the bearing slider. And now let's see what we have here. This one works on 9-volt battery, and we have here one button for the left and to the right, and also the speed button, so you can go faster and slower. And let's see this time-lapse timer. It looks really funny. And I think it's really handy because if you want to make time-lapse videos, it's really nice. You can set the timer and it goes like this, and it will go around really slow, so you get really nice footage. And I think this one gonna really help my videos to improve quality. And yeah, I will show you shortly the demo how it looks, and if it's really smooth or not. I hope it is, because otherwise it will be shit. But other than that, as you can see, we go here on the off switch, and there we go, it's now on. If I press this, it goes to the left, I guess. It's really slow, it must, yeah, there we go. And now I can adjust the speed. If you want to go it's faster, I can go 100%, and this is the max speed, I guess. And I think it's enough because we want really slow footage, so it's nice to go slow. And if you go to the right, just press left and it go to the right. And I think it's pretty simple setup. I don't think I need other things than this, so I will set this up and I will show you guys how it looks. So here it is. There you have it, guys. I think this slider works really well. I don't see any stuttering, it goes really steady and smooth, and I think for 80 euros it's absolutely worth it. And I can recommend everybody, if you are a beginner or you make films for yourself and you want to improve the quality of your videos, a good slider will absolutely help. And as you can see here, we got here really nice and slow footage, and I love it. And in each video it just looks really nice if you have slow videos, and good slider, it's absolutely recommended. So if you want to buy one, I would say go and search a self-made slider. As you can see here, for 80 euro, it's absolutely worth it. If you don't have much money to spend, a cheap slider can also do the job, as you can see here. And if you have questions, guys, let me know down below in the comment section. And with that being said, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.